Welcome everyone to my channel. I'm Andrea, your automatic trader. If you like the videos I'm making, subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the videos. If you're paid by the hour, you'll never be free. Every euro you earn costs you a piece of your life. The day you stop working, you won't earn anything anymore, so you'll stop making money. I've been through it myself, and today I'll explain how I managed to get out of that situation. The main problem is that most people think they're moving forward, but in reality, they're just on a treadmill. Every month you run, study, work hard, and think you're making progress, but in reality, you're always in the same place. That's how the system is set up. 8 hours of work a day, 5 or 6 days a week, always doing the same things, always the same bills, the same paycheck, and then it becomes an endless cycle. You're not moving to grow, you're moving just to survive. Every hour you spend working is just another chain tied to your time. Your clock doesn't mark minutes, it only marks a long imprisonment. When I started to understand leverage, everything changed. And I'm not talking about luck, I'm talking about processes, systems, capital. I stopped trading my time for money when I started creating machines that worked for me. In my case, it's automated trading. I sleep and the system keeps working for me. I live my life and the system still keeps producing results in my place. This is the system of leverage. I push just once, and with leverage, I'm able to move a system that's 100 times bigger. Do you know what the difference is between those who remain slaves to time and those who manage to break free and become truly free? It's all about creating automated systems that work in your place. I don't have time, I don't have money, it's risky, it's too difficult. Do you know what the biggest risk is? Spending your whole life working for someone else and making other people's dreams come true instead of your own. Those who complain don't earn. Those who make excuses stay stuck. Those who take action, even just a little, create freedom. And do you want to know if you're free? Ask yourself this question. If you don't work tomorrow, will you earn anything? If the answer is no, you're not free. You're just getting a temporary paycheck that could disappear one day. Freedom isn't a dream. Freedom is a decision. I decided to build trading systems that work for me. And what have you decided to do? If you want to see how I actually create my trading systems, subscribe to the channel. And when we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll put my account live 24/7 so you can see all the trades and even copy them if you want. The difference between staying on the treadmill and stepping off to open a door is a decision. I don't like it. The difference between staying on the treadmill and stepping off to open a door is just a decision. Well, that's it.